guys, the person who obviously installed this had nothing to do with Flex whatsoever. It was an independent person who I won't use again. But you can see here, there's a power switch and settings and all those goodies. And there's also this area where you can actually stick on the solar panel. And last but not least, you'll see two USB portals there as well in the back of the said fridge. And yeah, very happy with this indeed. It's a great asset to our expeditions. Okay, so here's our console fridge from Flex Adventures. 12 litre and can go from minus 20 to plus 20. What you'll notice is it's a little bit dirty right now, so sorry about that. And this is the workmanship. Unfortunately, we paid a small fortune for to have mounted. As you can see, there's a bracket that comes with it. And yeah, what can you do? People just take your money now and don't perform. Anyways, we're so happy with this. It was obviously a lot more forward, which would mean this was a bit of an issue, but if you extend it, I don't think it will be. But look, it's comfortable where it is right now, although it's loose, which we do need to sort out. And of course, inside you can see the frost, and it's on permanent, as we do have solar panel on the roof charger. Yeah, so for now, that's our console fridge we bought at Flex Adventures in Somerset West in Cape Town, and I strongly suggest buying one. Yeah, definitely. So, looking to see if the radio will fit, which I want to install. And here's the original trim with a single DIN unit, which we're going to put a double DIN unit and rear view camera. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so we've opted for a single DIN radio, which apparently the screen pops out. So this is the latest accessory. Yeah. So it all sorted soon, but it carries on. there you go. Entertainment. Eventually.